Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your information and permission settings on your account center, on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First, click on these three lines, now click settings, and now here we'll find account center, click on it. And now here we'll find your information and permissions. Now here we'll find it. You'll find all your informations and permissions, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.